Hello friends, subscribe my channel IDP examination based question provided by my channel. Today I am going to discuss about the past perfect tense. Past perfect tense tell about the event that had happened in the past and was finished before the another action took place. This particular tense is used to describe an action that took place and interrupted by the another action. To make an affirmative, we use the following formula: subject plus had plus past particle plus object. For example, student had completed their assignment before they submitted. Another example, he came here after you had left. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like it and subscribe it.